In this video, we'll explain how to send WhatsApp messages once someone fills out your ads lead forms. First, log into your Business Manager and go to your Ads Manager account. Then, under the Ad Manager, check All Tools. Select Instant Forms. After selecting the Instant Forms, you will see all the forms you have under your Ads Manager. Now, go to CRM Setup and select Google Sheets. It will prompt you to sign in with Google Sheets, so sign in and provide the necessary access. Once connected, you need to integrate with your Google Sheets. You can create a new sheet and label it as needed. Now, copy the Google Sheet link and paste the URL in the CRM integration setup. Next, you will be asked to select the sheet and lead forms you want to connect. You can select your desired form. After that, it will ask if you want to sync existing leads to Google Sheets. Select the checkbox if required and click Connect. Only the contacts within the expiry days will be synced. Once connected, you'll see the data synced. You will have the Google Sheet lead forms. Now, whenever a new lead comes in, it will automatically be filled in the sheet. Next, we will show you how to send WhatsApp messages automatically when the leads are submitted through your ads. Go to Extensions, then Add-ons, and select Get Add-ons. Search for XpressBot and install it, granting the necessary permissions. After installation, configure the webhook by clicking Configure URL in the extension. Here you need to add XpressBot webhook URL. To create a new webhook in XpressBot, first log into your dashboard. Navigate to the webhook section in the menu and select Workflow. From there, click on Create a new webhook. During the creation process, you'll be prompted to select the templates that will be sent to your customers when they submit a lead form. Now copy the webhook URL and add it in Google Sheet. Next, configure the trigger condition by adding the field names, such as phone number, email, or ID, that should activate the webhook. This means that whenever there is a change in these fields, the webhook will be triggered automatically. For example, if you add a new entry in the phone number or email column, the webhook will fire and send the selected templates to the customer. After configuring the trigger condition, make sure to save the webhook configuration to finalize the setup. Once saved, the webhook will monitor the specified fields for any changes and trigger the message accordingly. After saving the configuration, verify the webhook by sending mock data and check the captured response to ensure it's working. Once the webhook received data, you can assign variables from the raw data received. This step allows you to map the relevant data from your form responses, like the name, phone number, or email, to the placeholders in your message templates. After assigning the variables, click Save to save the webhook configuration. This will ensure that the system triggers the appropriate message using the dynamic data from the lead forms whenever a new entry or update occurs in the specified fields. If a message fails, you can track the failure and determine the cause in the webhook logs.